Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about the most amazing opportunity I think you can have as growing a business, any business, and then to be able to have all the tools that go with it. So today I'm just going to go over my little notes, and you can have everything from emails, autoresponder, content marketing, SMS marketing, done-for-you marketing pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, capture pages, unlimited content, and put it all in automation. So I want to be able to show you how easy and fast it can be. So right here is a page that was already done for me. All I had to do is just make sure it was clicking directly to my website. And then I changed a few of the features down below to be able to go to those pages, and this will take you directly to the Now site and learn more about it. So here we'll pop up the page and give you more information on the 3-click marketing, and to be able to do content, social media marketing. You can do website, blog, and SEO, and you can do email, letter, and online retargeting. Super simple and easy. So here you can also click on the features, and it'll take you directly to the Now site features, which is absolutely amazing. Right here it'll just show you about the new platform and how it works for you. Look at these pages. They're so simple and easy to build. You put in your keywords, your online ads, and your social marketing. Absolutely beautiful. Put them into your blog, your email marketing. I love the email marketing. Super simple and easy. And your CRM with all your people, your analytics, and that's your marketing. Super simple and easy. Come check out this page and learn more about Nowsite and the marketing. So here you can also click on Nowsite pricing. This is absolutely amazing. I'm loving this. This is an opportunity to go ahead and start as a customer and decide if this is for you. It's only $47 a month, and you get 10 websites, 3 AI campaigns, 3 done-for-you accounts, and email marketing, all for $47. If you want to go even cheaper, you can go to $37 with all of that and just pay for the yearly and be done. Now, if you really want to grow and expand your business, any business, all your businesses, and do everything inside of Nowsite marketing, you're going to want to go ahead and be an entrepreneur. You can do that for $87 a month. You have unlimited websites, unlimited AI campaigns, unlimited done-for-you campaigns, email marketing, team creation and analytics, 2,500 retargeting ads. What? I know. I really wanted to share this with you. So annually, you can go all the way down to $67. Absolutely amazing. I know just some of the email marketing platforms will cost you more than $67. Why not get everything and start growing your business with this easy, simple platform? Right here will give you the website builder, SEO, email marketing, a powerful CRM, and we have the Android and iPhone apps, live marketing coaching. The coaching and training is absolutely amazing. Amazing support 7 days a week to answer all your questions. They'll look right at your computer and see what you need help with, and your detailed analytics. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. You also can add on the SMS packages. They do have some additional packages that you can add on, but get started for $67, and you can get that huge discount by paying annually. You don't have to have that month-to-month bill, and get started today. If you have any questions, anything I can answer, please do let me know. Comment down below. I'm here to assist you with the process and getting started. Click on the bell, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.